What's up, beautiful people? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are from Earth. Um, it's your boy again this afternoon, David, live from my FX studio. So I'm here again to do some little recap. The result of the Great Britain pound USD that we forecasted. I said it's going up, and right now it's going all the way up. So today is Wednesday, and it's still hitting up. It's hitting high. It's hitting up. So I forecasted since last week that the market is hitting up, and it's hitting up as we speak. So as it is like this, if you really want to trade, to me, I'm not saying you should trade what I trade. I'm just saying this is what I trade. So I'm just showing people the result. So it's a sweet trade. It's really going the direction that the direction that me and my team forecasted. So I just want you to just look at the market and tell me what you think. It's a waving trade, as it is like that. It's waving up as we speak, and you just have to, it has a triangle here, it has a waving trader angle, as it is like this, and it have a breakout, it has a one white soldier somewhere around here. So just people, please just trade safe, trade wise. If you really want to trade, just use your mind. Just don't use, don't try to. Everybody have different strategy of trading, you get it? But to me, the strategy I've been using to trade, studying the candlestick, price action and all that, is working for me. So I don't know of any other thing, but these are the things that I've been using. Price action, fully price action. I don't trade news, but so if you want to trade news, it's okay by you, but to me, I don't trade news. So this is what I see in the market, and it's going to the direction that we forecasted. Please, you could let me know what you think. And apart from that, people, please, I'll really appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click the like, smash the like button, subscribe on my YouTube channel and all my social media pages. I'll really very much appreciate it. So please just let me know what you see. Let me know what you see about this market. It's been a while now that I've analyzed this market to be like this. I think it was around on the 5th of October that I said the market is swinging up, and ever since then it's been swinging up. It has a little bearish side, but the bearish side wasn't as strong as the bullish side, you get it? So the bullish is really showing us that the market is taking the momentum, which it is taking the momentum. So people, please just let me know what you see, what you think, and how you view this trade to be. If you have any other trade forecast system in your own mind, please just let me know, you get it? Please, I'll definitely appreciate a polite comment, and just let me know what you think. So people, trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy. God help us all. Have a good one. See you in my next video.